Room 2110, I knocked on the door.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first things first, if you can hear something in the background, it is my candle burning and I don't want to turn it off. Second of all, everyone decided to apparently park outside my house today. So if you hear lots and lots of cars going, I can't control that. But anyway, in today's video, I really thought, well, show you guys how I edit my thumbnails and Instagram photos because they're kind of the same. So I just thought we might as well put the two videos in one. Have a fun time. And yeah, if you're new, hi, my name is Santana. I make lifestyle, YouTube advice and fashion content. So if you do like that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video every single Sunday. Without further ado, let's get... Okay, so the photos I'm going to use aren't actually the photos I'm going to use for my thumbnail. So just pretend that I'm creating the thumbnail for this video, if that makes sense. Okay, and once again, I am referring to my phone. Yeah! Ariana Grande has been real quiet. Okay, so I'm first of all going to go into vsco, and the reason why I use vsco is because for Instagram I edit my photos that way. Obviously the filters that I use are either C6, C7, C8, C9, E7, E3 or E4, and those are my favourite ones that I use. And obviously I'm going to do this for the photo, so I just see which one works. And for me, C7 works. And then what I'm going to do is going to brighten up the photo a little bit, and then I'm going to sharpen it a little bit because hello, why not? And then we're going to go into the H&S, which is the highlight and shadows, and just bring up the shadows a little bit because the photo was a wee bit dark, just like a wee bit. And then this thing called HSL. Now this is only available on the prepaid version of vsco, which is £20 a year, and I feel like I'm gonna get the most out of that, so that's why I brought it. And anyway, and that's really it. What I'll do, I'll just add a filter, I'll brighten everything up a little bit, and then I'll save it to my camera roll. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the second photo really quickly. Okay, so now both photos are saved to my camera roll. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this app called Photo Grid, and this is how I, you know, lay out my thumbnail photos. So I'm just gonna click the two, and if you are gonna download this app, the dimensions on the app is 16.9 on the ratio. Do what you want with that. And then I'm going to go into Fonto. Now this is where everything kind of like, you know, creativity comes out. So I'm going to go in and then I'm just going to title this video how to edit. Yeah, I'm just going to curve it because I feel like curves are better. Curved everything is slightly better. A yin and yang moment. Well, not quite, because it's not quite yin, but you know, like that sort of thing. And then, or actually, yeah, I'm gonna curve it, but I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, so then this one will go at the bottom. And then I'm gonna click on the how to thing again, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into style, stroke, and make the alpha go all the way up and make it a bit thicker because we love it thick, THIQQ, point blank and period. And then I'm bringing the alpha all the way up. What I do on the text section, so I'm going to save that to my phone, and then next up I'm going to go into Pixar. Now Pixar, I believe, is one of the most like powerful like free apps to edit your thumbnails on, or you can do your Instagram photos. I'm just not really creative. Obviously I only use vsco for Instagram. I don't know if I said that earlier, but and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into the stickers on Pixar, and I normally use like the stars. And that is kind of it of what I do to my thumbnails. And then if I'm going to do an Instagram photo, like I said earlier, I'll just do vsco and then brighten it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really sorry it was a quick one, but I know a lot of you wanted to see how I edit my thumbnails and my Instagram photos, so I thought I'd just throw the two together. Okay, and with that being said, and that really hurt my face, or if I post a brand new video on a Wednesday, if I wanted to do that, so make sure you have your post notifications on turn on for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn that post notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video every single Sunday.
Oh yes, of course.